Hi there, HCI 430. This is John Jacobson representing Group 4 that consists of Jackie Nguyen, Jess Borland, and myself, of course. This is our hi-fi prototype presentation of our app and desktop website, Shepherd. It is designed to be a social media um, for COVID-19, whether it's designed to help people meet each other and do mutual activities that they enjoy while also being comfortable with the people that are around, whether that is with a lot of restrictions or no restrictions at all. Because let's face it, the COVID-19 pandemic had a significant impact on people's social lives as they were asked to self quarantine to lower the spread of the virus. And consequently, now that lockdown is easing up, people are fearful of socializing outside of their homes. And so we created a mobile desktop application that allows people to connect with others depending on their comfort level. So this is going to be more about the change between the mid-fi and the hi-fi. Um, and if you want to go back and look at our mid-fis, you're more than welcome to do that. But I'm going to give you just a brief background a little bit in that our solution gives you peace of mind that you can find others that share similar interests as you, but also will be like-minded in how to protect oneself from COVID-19. Um, it's designed so that people can share new experiences with new friends and still feel comfortable without worrying about being judged. And uh, whether that's being judged for not being vaccinated or for being vaccinated or whatever, just being judged from being called a sheep from whatever side that is. Like I said, this is going to be more about the transition from the mid-fi to the hi-fi. During our user testing, we found that some people had some confusion with edit profile and my profile because it's available in the navigation screen. So we did erase the edit profile from our screen, and you can also see there's a my profile up there, but we did erase it from the new desktop. And we also added a my friends because we wanted there to be a way for people to connect with each other. It is a social media after all. So we wanted people to be able to connect with their friends and see what their friends are doing if their friends post something and want to invite people to do things. And then we also added a little hello section because we felt like it would uh, help the user feel like it's personalized towards them. We had some issues with the QR code, with people understanding exactly what it was there for, and also understanding right when the task was finished that they had updated or uploaded their COVID-19 information. So we did create a little guy that is kind of right on brand, and to confirm vaccination status. So going forward in the comfort level pages while you're signing up for the programs and what you want to be surrounded by. We took away the green boxes and because we felt like it kind of made it look like that was the correct choice. And then also we got rid of the X's because during the testing they didn't understand why they couldn't test or you actually click the X's. So we left the boxes empty so that people could understand, okay, this is what my options are. And then we added a continue button so that they could go ahead and finish on with their task. The activity map was by far the most successful thing that we created. People really enjoyed that. Thought it was a really good idea. When we started it off with our mid fi, the tags at the top were a little confusing to the users, and also the colorification of the pins were confusing. So what we went ahead and did was we added a color code to the tags and really made it pop. That way, your eyes are drawn to it, and you can also look around and you can see, you understand what you're looking at. We also added a little pop-up box to give you a little more information, and then you could click the more info, where it would take you directly to a screen that was solely the sole purpose was to give you information where you could add that event to your calendar. One thing that we're really happy about is this map view and list view that we added. That way you could toggle between the two. If you want to look at the list and the distance, you can click on these and get to which event you want to go to. And also you can obviously go back to the map view and look at the stuff that's just around you, not distance related. Well, I mean, it is distance related, but this is pure distance related. This one just kind of shows you everything in your map. We obviously we did this to the desktop. You can see it's kind of, it doesn't really pop. I feel like this looks so much better. Like I said, there's a pop-up little box you can click on. But with the desktop version, it'll be a little different in that we're going to show the list view and the map view on the same page. There were some concerns from our users about when you're creating a group activity, there's no way to say if it's public or private. There's no way to say there's only going to be 10 people for this book reading. There's only going to be 50 people for this volleyball day. So we added that to the mobile and the desktop. They can make it public, they can make it invite only, and then it's open to all by participants, or it's limited. We're doing a wine tasting, 8 people tops. Sorry, we're inside, 8 people tops. So, all right, group. That's it for group 4. HCI 430. We hope that you have a lot of success in your future. We look forward to working with you, and good luck with everything.